Alright, I finished my coffee and now I'm just got done editing yesterday's video. Now it's exporting. Alright, so a few hours later, we went to Best Buy when I was chilling.
Shut up.
And I just bought this selfie stick, which I'm not going to be using it as a selfie stick. Some guy at Best Buy gave me an idea how I can maybe turn this into a tripod with the tripod that I have. Pretty much I'm going to try to see if I can take this top part off and mount it onto my GoPro. Alright, GoPro. Jeez, I'm out of words for it today. To my tripod. So I'm going to open it all up and see if I can get it to do what I want it to do. Dude! Awesome! Awesome! So, I'm using this tripod now. It works, guys. You can't tell because I'm using it, but it works. There's a selfie stick right there. Dude! This is epic! Okay, I'm gonna try something. So, we are using the tripod for my iPhone now. It works, guys. It works. Ryan's playing with the selfie stick right now.
Worst comes to worst, you can just use this as your beating baton. Oh, you wanna fuck with me, guys? I'll fucking screw you.
So, it works, guys. I'm pretty happy about it. Yeah. So, I'm gonna be using this from now on. Cost me $15, so it wasn't too bad at all. So, thank you to Retract for selling this product. So, I'm gonna go upstairs and show Dylan the good news. Because he's awake. He's cooking food. Yeah. It's adjustable clamp. It's spring loaded, so like it adjusts to pretty much any size camera. Dude, our footage is just got amazing. See that? Nanny, look, it worked. It only cost me $15. Yeah, for this mount. It was a What it was it was a selfie stick. But the guy told me maybe I could just take the top part of it, take it off, and then put it on my tripod because it has that mount. Yeah. Sure enough, it was already a part. I just mounted it on my tripod, put the phone on, it works.
Nice. Can you extend its height with the rest of it?
Don't know. I don't think so.
I don't know. I don't think it would be stable though.
No. But yeah.
Totally flat ground.
Freaking works. I'm so happy now. So now we go out skateboarding or we're out and about. We want to do like a nice and we don't want to like hold the camera. Mm-hmm. This would be awesome. But yeah, $15, not bad for the setup. And then
and the grounds are mediocre, but they're better than the ones you usually use.
Yeah. So Dylan just brewed coffee using his percolator. Oh, it spilled some. So I'm going to put whatever I want in it. Thank you. First time having a cup of joe using the percolator. I'm in for a treat. Dude, look at this. It's like, I'm not used to this. I'm gonna be like so new to this for like the first couple of days. So this is the cream I usually use. Chocolate cream or chocolate caramel.
No, these are definitely one-use grounds. That's way too weak.
So, we're heading out to go do something again. So I gotta get my coat on and everything, get ready. Let's go! Taking care of trash.
This whole box to go in there.
Yeah.
And you go. Good spot. Creepy van coming down the road.
Oh, that's gross.
What?
I just got like a handful of last week's dinner in my hand.
Juices.
Goodbye, James. You served your purpose very, very well. Oh, horse shit. Son of a fuck. Thor!
No, it's good. The only residences.
That's it.
Dude, that was epic.
We made it.
Nice.
I'm out of shape. I could have done that when I was like 5.
Thor!
Built all.
Single fuck yourself.
Cool.
Alright, your turn.
I will just walk.
Alright, so just got to JC Park and Jared is using his RC car.
I grabbed it by the
Are you documenting this?
I'll have you.
Look up, dude. Oh, it flips upside down. Holy shit. I never saw one do that. Dude, that is way cooler than I thought it was going to be when I saw it. I thought because, like, it's all plastic, it was going to be some, like, cheap shit, but no, this is fucking badass. Fragile, though. If you crash that thing, it's done.
No, it's not.
Really?
Yeah, dude. It has a camera on it, too. Except it's dying, though.
You should use these to shoot down the government one.
Like,
Fucking...
Get the
You'd have to make
Can I use
it,
the RC?
like, weapon capable.
Dylan, can I use the RC?
oh wait, let's see if I can make a basket.
No, you're not. You're looking at the.
See if I can make a basket. Oh!
Oh!
Oh. Oh. Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it probably is, dude.
Brakes are.
Yeah, it is almost dead. Like I said, I took it running anyway. I haven't touched
Needs a lot of torque.
it. Yeah.
Hey, but if it's capable of doing that,
Oh, really?
yeah, battery's totally dead. I was trying to break it like 10 feet away from you and it ended up. Alright, Perry, you're up.
No, that's
You got like
dead.
30 seconds of battery. See what you can do with it. What kind of batteries does it use?
Oh, dude, it's a rechargeable one.
Oh, so we can't load up the double A's.
No, this is a legit. Oh,
Well, they have
yeah, maybe the engine or the igniter
Oh!
Jeez.
I heard the wrong way.
Holy fuck.
Jeez.
Perry.
He wasn't supposed to turn that way.
Gas powered ones are like 10 times more powerful.
It turns the way that you make it.
Perry, back up. Perry, just back up.
Oh.
know how to reverse.
He's like, wait, really? Really?
This is like watching Damien play with his car.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, shit.
So.
Yeah, dude.
No battery. You can't break it. Turn it. It turns way sharp.
Dude, that's badass. Dude, holy shit. Right, you wanna give it a whirl? Dude, that's sick.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It is kind of delayed.
Yeah, it's easier to turn on one side.
Wait, so how fast can that thing go full speed?
The battery's low and on the steering crimp isn't set.
Oh.
Oh, you can probably just adjust like a screw.
No, it's on the controller.
Oh, Jesus.
Controller?
Yeah,
Wait, did you get the remote control car crash into the pole? Jesus! I have a camera in my hand, you dick. If I could punch in the face, that would have hit me.
it's just I must have like bumped it or something. And it's sometimes if you hit a lot of bumps, your steering wheel, like your wheels will get out of line. So you have to.
Alright, so I'm uploading this video. Dylan is playing Watch Dogs. Ryan went home, so me and him are just hanging out till we go to bed. Gotta shoot the filters. And just like that, coffee is made. So, you're gonna bake this for me and cut it. So, make some coffee. So I forgot to show you before I ate it, but there's the aftermath of my cake. It was really, really good. And I also got my coffee right here. And I'm watching a Not Vlogs video at the moment. Shout out to Not Vlogs. Or, well, more known as Not Locks.
It's break time out.
Alright, so Dylan has finished or completed the game Watch Dogs. So Watch Dogs now crossed off the list of games to complete.
I cannot take credit for the full completion of the game, as I only completed a few of the missions. Ryan Coda completed most of the missions.
Yeah. That's only because he was here more than you were, because you were out and about a lot of the times.
Well, yeah.
But, okay, now that I asked you a couple hours into the beginning of the game, now that you've experienced the full most of it, now what do you think of the game?
The level of complexity is definitely much higher than GTA, and so the mission design, and in that way, it's better, but some of the mission instructions are a little badly worded. I like the free mode because I like the way that you can smash through huge shit like bus stops instead of flying, and that there are drawbridges. It's a lot of fun, and blowing up helicopters remotely, that's pretty cool too. So all in all, I'd say more interesting story mode than GTA, definitely. More fun in the moment, but the world is less expansive. And so I think its replay value might run out faster.
Right on. That's true. Yeah, I've noticed that too while watching you guys play the game. Yeah.
It's basically like a slight spin on Grand Theft Auto, with a little bit, with a new mechanic added in that makes it kind of an interesting combination. There were a few design choices that I would have done differently, but I think they did overall decently in the game.
Right on. Well, there you have it, guys. Watch Dogs. It's now crossed off the list. Not too sure when we're gonna get a new game, but and then plus Dylan still has
Assassin's Creed, I haven't even opened that.
yeah, Assassin's Creed. But I've already played that game, so I don't think I'm gonna probably get a game of my own. So that's it. That's the game. Credits you just saw. Anyways. Alright guys, that wraps up for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new latest content I post daily. Click like if you enjoyed, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody's gone to bed and everything, so yeah. Plus also, I mean today was technically full day using it today, but tomorrow is gonna be the full length, like 12 or 24 hours. Oh, technically not 24 hours, 12 hours I'd say, using my new rig that I bought today. Well, I've had the tripod, it's this part I needed to hook up my phone. The tripod, the selfie stick. And I found out a problem with it already. Not the part that I bought today, but my tripod. I don't know if you can see that. And to wiggle it, it's really loose. I'm not gonna play with it because I don't want it to get worse. But yeah, that is becoming very loose, and I'm hoping it doesn't break. If it does, then there might be a quick solution to fix it, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna work. I'll just use super glue if it breaks off. If not, then I will end up having to buy a new tripod, which tripod that I'm looking for, they're like 10-15 bucks. So it's not that big of a deal. I'm not worried about it. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah. Got some plans, so I'll see you then. Peace out, guys. Stay awesome.